A very warm welcome to PCE Instruments, your manufacturer of test and measuring instruments for industry, trade and research.
I have brought you the PCE-LMD 10, a light meter that can measure from 0 to 400,000 lux, which is up to 400 kilolux. And the device is supplied with an external probe, which we can see here. And as we can see on the display, it is already in measuring mode, in the measuring screen. And when the probe is still, we can see the ambient brightness here. And if I cover the probe, then you can also see not only that the display has just decreased the value. No, now it has also changed the unit. It can also measure foot candles, which is common in the USA, but is also usually lux here, as you can see here in the display. And if I take my little flashlight and measure it, you can also see here that the value goes up. The device has various functions. For example, I can display minimum and maximum values. So if I cover the sensor again, for example, I can measure somewhere in a place that is difficult to access and then query the device afterwards to see how bright it was in that place, as we can see here. There is a hold function for a current value. There is a peak function, so that the brightest value that was measured is displayed, and the device can store 32,000 measured values. However, it is also possible to carry out live measurements via USB and read out the data, including the stored data, and then process it on the computer. It has a built-in rechargeable battery that is charged via USB. This makes it possible to take it with us wherever we need it. This is the PCE-LMD 10, a handy device with a nice, large, readable display that covers all light measurement applications well on the move. Have a bright day and goodbye.
Discover and order the latest measuring and test equipment now on www.pce-instruments.com.